Good morning.
Good morning, friends. Erica here at the Little Blue House Farm in Mexico. Welcome back to our channel. Taking Cassie to school this morning. Last night it looked like it was going to rain, but it did not. Today I'm going to bring you guys along. I'm going to make some huevitos right now in the morning for the family to eat breakfast, but I won't be cooking no lunch because we still have food left over from the one that I made yesterday from the carne apache. We'll bring you guys to go see the chickens, and we'll see what else. We'll bring you guys along. Where else? We have also, I don't know. Not today. No spaghetti today because I'm not cooking. Maybe tomorrow, we'll see. We're also going to be going for a walk if it doesn't rain, because we do enjoy taking the dogs out for a walk and exercising a little bit as well. We'll bring you guys along on our day. We hope you guys enjoy it. And if you guys do like this content, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Today is garbage day here in our neighborhood. So you see bags everywhere. It's kind of fresh, huh? It's 60 something degrees. It feels fresh.
It's good though.
I love those big old trees. Look at this, friends. It used to be brown, is now green. Well, it needs to keep raining. Been here for a few days and it hasn't rained. This is how some people here make money. They collect the bottles, every kind of bottle there is, and some collect cardboard. They go and sell it and make some money off of that. Ahora sí hay muchos parents at the school.
No sé una parent teacher conference for people in first grade.
Oh, really?
They didn't come.
Who?
People?
Again?
I don't know what.
So many people walking. Come on, hurry up, or the bus gets here.
Come on, I should have stayed over there. Okay, bye.
Bye. I just stopped at the little store here by the house and bought some pan because we didn't have no more pan left. I think that might be one of the things I'll be doing today, baking some bread, because they don't have any more at home. We also ran out of water for the coffee, so I just bought this one, and then Jose can come and get the big ones filled because they don't come until tomorrow. Or at least I can have coffee with this one and some pan. The pan is warm too. Digging through the garbage, I feel so bad for those people. What I do in my house is I put the cans and all the plastic stuff on the side instead of putting in the garbage can. That way they don't have to go through my garbage to get it out. So like this one for Thursday, for the garbage day at Thursday, I'll put it on the side or in a little bag, and then they'll just come and take it. Look at that beautiful tree. Here's my plants growing beautifully. Look at this. This one I need to move it. I moved it there. Hopefully that light will help it. This cucumber's thriving, looking beautiful. I was taking these little umbrella things out earlier. There's too many and I don't know what they are. There's a lot of things in here that I don't know what they are, but I'm gonna wait a few days and see if the app can tell me. So we're gonna have baby zucchinis in this plant soon, hopefully. They're right there. See them? Just gotta make sure they get fertilized. If not, I'm gonna have to come and do it by hand. I took out a cluster of these earlier and it has like a ball at the end. I don't know what it is. I don't know what kind of seed this is. Can't wait to transplant my tomatoes, but I'm not waiting. Don't need to get them out of here though, because they're trying to reach for the light. There we go. That was my oregano and mint, I believe it was. They're dead now. That's okay. And here's the chiles that are growing like months and months later. Maybe it was just not hot enough for the plants to grow here or something, I don't know. But we got chiles coming up. What kind are they? I have no clue. Maybe arroz con pollo. I don't know. This looks like either a tomato or I mean a zucchini or a cucumber, but I'm not sure. This doesn't look like basil, doesn't look like thyme. Maybe sweet banana peppers, jalapeno pepper. I don't know, friends. But they're growing, they're thriving. Finally, after a long time. Makes me happy still. Just gotta get something out of here. Alright. There we go. Huevitos. You gonna put in the bread?
pulled it.
This is what's called torta de huevo. O sea, es- We are here to pick up Cassie at the school, and after this we're gonna go to get some water and also to a store. It's called BBB. It's triple B. They had cheaper stuff there. Jose said he's seen that they have big bags of flour, so I'm gonna go check it out and see if I wanna get some from there instead of buying the little bags from the store. And then we'll go home, and later on we're gonna go get milk and stuff needed from the store as well, and go to see the chickens. So I'll bring you guys along. We're here at the school waiting for Cassie. She should come out soon. The bell already rang. How was school? You're hot. You were dancing? Yeah. Let's go. This is a 3BB store. Date un carrito, ¿qué es? Basket or a carrito, it doesn't matter. These are cute. They're 32 pesos.
Are you gonna get a strawberry? Or strawberry? Strawberry?
I need a good one to wash the dishes. Let me
No,
see.
that one's good. They say that those ones. But those ones are the best.
$45. Put this in there, please.
Don't slam on me and break it.
Come on, mommy, not that way. Jose said they had flour here. Do you need pan? I'm gonna make some. I'll just make some. No, I'm gonna make some at the house.
No, the flower's on that side. Oh look, there's also flower over there.
$29 for hot dog bread. Cheerios, 54 pesos. Bring one of Cheerios. 75 pesos. 290 pesos for a 20 kilos flour. I'm gonna take a big.
It doesn't say a price. Maybe it's free.
Yeah, okay. Vete más. I wonder how these tortillas taste. Who knows? I'll take some salchichas. Salchicha Viena de pavo. 44 pesos. 20 pesos. Sour cream for 29 pesos. Escoba for 35 pesos.
Because Sally broke ours. ¿Dónde está lo en el piso? ¿Dónde está lo en el piso?
12 pesos. We got things for the dogs. They got jabón. 20 pesos. I'm gonna take one of these. We're gonna take
pure of vodka.
21 pesos. I'm gonna take 3. I'm gonna take a toothpaste for 29 pesos and then a set of toothbrushes for 20 pesos. And Saori toothpaste for 24 pesos. We spent a total of 1,050 pesos at the Bebe store. The girls got a yogurt also. So we got the flour for 290 pesos, so that was a big part of the price. I'm gonna be making a snack. These are called churros. Healthier than chips. Put the fire up a little bit. Just move them around. Maybe put some salsa and some limon. I need a better spoon for this because I don't have one. Like a ladle or whatever they're called. Go. Make sure your oil is super hot. And you just add them in there. Hold them around. And take them out. Once they're not the color that they were when you put them in there. Where are we going, Teddy? Where are we going, Teddy? You gonna go see the chickens? You coming with us today? Huh? There goes Jack. Come on, Teddy. Come on, Teddy. I got that ma'am's a small snack. Nothing big, but something for them to enjoy. Hello. Whoops. Stay out there, Teddy. Let's go see if they have any eggs. Look at the rooster over there. 2 eggs only. Yep, just 2 eggs. It's okay, we're still grateful for 2. Look at Teddy won't come in. We only got 2 eggs. They're not laying much. I think it's because they're older also. Because we still didn't give them water. Jose's getting some. And we didn't give them no food. But they still have a lot left in here. So they do have food and water. But they are not laying many eggs. My good boy over there sitting. The door's open. He won't come in. Good boy, Daddy. Good boy, Daddy. They're all fighting for the cilantro. This was delicious here. I've checked Rocky's leg to see if I see anything wrong with it, and I have not. But he still limps. I'm not sure why. I hear you. 6 o'clock and they're all still crawling around. I still need to get home and make some dough so that I can make some bread for a sandwich. 'Cause it was too hot today. I didn't want to make nothing in the house. I should have prepared my dough, but I didn't. So I'll prepare it right now, and then I'm going to go for a walk with the kids, and then we'll come back and make the bread. We already ate. We ate the carne apache that I made yesterday. Then the kids had a ramen noodle, some different kind. Saori ate huevito. Different things. So they all ate. We all ate. There's Jose with the water. He brought food also. They didn't really eat, Amor. No? Not much. Jack, out. Out. Good boy. Out, Teddy. Out. Let's go. Let's go. Out. They didn't get bad today, right? With the bleach? They didn't get bad.
Huh?
They didn't get green from the inside?
No, pero este estaba dry, como el otro día estaba teniendo.
Oh.
Ahorita que está mojado una vez. ¿La agarré de la pila?
Oh.
Le eché este...
Bleach. Teddy's just sitting. Bye, Miss Ma'ams. We see you tomorrow. Waters are filled. Their food is filled. Happy campers. Ready to go. Hi, Miss Ma'am. We got an egg. Jack! Jack! Hi, Teddy. And this is the reason we need a big yard for our dogs to be able to run. Ha! So you guys can run around and have fun. Where you go, Teddy? They love playing around. Teddy's like, nope, I'm just gonna relax right here. And this is Sally. Jack and Sally and Teddy. Hi, Sally. This is the hen from the guys that live here. Now they have baby chicks too. Look at the beautiful babies. Look at that. They were just hatched yesterday. They're so cute. It's a rainbow. I'm gonna go ahead and make some sandwich loaf. Here's the recipe. I'll write it at the end of the video, and I'll go ahead and add a video at the end as well from when I made it. That way you guys can see more. But I went ahead and added 2 3/4 cups of warm water. And I'm gonna go ahead and add 1.5 tablespoons of active dry yeast. Can you close this, please? I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm gonna go ahead and add 1/4 cup of oil. Go ahead, yes. 1/4 cup of honey. 1/4 cup of honey. Leave it in there, mommy, till it's all done, okay? We're gonna add 2.5 teaspoon of salt. I added 6 cups of flour. And I'm gonna go ahead and add everything and mix. And I'm gonna knead for 8 to 10 minutes. The dough is done getting kneaded. I go ahead and cover it for, let me see, for 1 hour. We're gonna go for a walk. But look at the sky, how beautiful it looks. So he's leaving already. Oh yeah, so many dogs around here.
That looks like Jack. No, it looks like Sally. That's kidding, guys. That looks like
Hurry, hurry. Look at that beautiful view. The kids ran down this hill right here. Now they got the dogs relaxing. We gotta get them some treats. They are making lots over there for houses. Let me see if I can focus. It's up the hill. I miss the walks, even if it's a short one. We can walk with the kids. Get a little bit of exercise in the morning and then in the afternoon. Saudie's riding her bike and the kids are playing soccer. I was playing too, but I came. So I have to check my timer for my bread. Kick it, mommy. Kick it hard. Good job. The moon is hidden under those clouds. Salsa verde con pollo. ¿A cuánto los das?
25.
Son de oaxaqueños, de pollo con salsa verde y de rajas. Chile con queso, ¿verdad?
Sí, de rajas con queso. ¿Qué vende?
Tamales. ¿Y atole o qué trae?
Champurrado.
¿Champurrado?
¿Más un champurrado? ¿Y de tamal?
¿Qué es un champurrado, amor?
De chocolate.
Ah,
Un champurrado de chocolate.
I can't hear. What is that?
Chocolate.
Green and spicy.
Yeah. Starting to rain.
Oh no.
Big old drops.
Mommy.
I made 3 loaves instead of just 2. I'm gonna let them sit for another hour to double the size, and then we'll bake. I just turned on the oven because the bread is doubled its size. So I'm turned it on to 350. Now I just gotta wait for it to get warmed up, and then I'll go ahead and add the bread for 30 minutes or until golden brown. And this is wheat bread. Well, friends, editing Erica here. I was editing my video on my walk and I forgot I didn't finish it yesterday. So we hope you guys enjoyed our vlog. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Thanks for coming along in our journey here in Mexico. Look at this beautiful flower I just found. God bless and see you guys soon, friends. Bye.